fish on. Here we go. Oh, it's a good one. It's a good. Oh, what is up, guys? Welcome back to yet another episode of Marshall Outdoors. Yeah. Sorry for the crusty audio right next to the highway. We were at a gas station in Royalton, Minnesota. What are you doing in Royalton? Well, I'm on my way to Monticello. I have heard of this warm water discharge bite for a long time for smallmouth. Never been down there to try it. So we are headed down there today. We got the long rods, do some smallmouth bass fishing. But last night we got, as you can tell, we got a good inch of rain last night and it froze solid. Like this is bad conditions. It might take me a little while to get down there. It might be nasty when I get down there. But it's gonna be 35 degrees today. That's great. We are gonna go catch some smallmouth bass. Stay with us. And we have just arrived to spot one. Great, there's no one here. I love it. It's Monday. That's when I like to go fishing. Mondays. That was cool. Alright, so what we're going to be doing today, I think I'm going to run one. I bring a couple rods. I bring the jackhammer. Probably going to use that as a swim bait rod. I brought a casting rod, the Whitebird, and I probably use that for jerk baits, craws, maybe some swim baits too. And then I brought another Whitebird in a spinning reel, and I'm probably going to use this as a live bait rod. They say live bait is the most effective way to fish here. And yeah, we're going to throw some big suckers down, cast some tubes, some swim baits, see if we can jerk baits, see if we can get some smallmouth. But first, I gotta get some waders on, rig up these rods, and we get after it. Alright, rods are rigged, got the minnows. I'm gonna throw my waders on, and I'm probably gonna throw the chesty on because, yeah, we're gonna be wading in the water. I don't know if I said that. This is a place where you put your waders on, get in the water. Alright, here we go. Check in here. Here we freaking go. Here we freaking go. And it is still icy. I'm probably gonna end up falling on my ass today. Hot dang, there's people everywhere. Lots of people. Lots of people. I think this water is moving so fast. I don't know how people are even catching fish around here. This is insane. Alright, we're gonna take a little adventure. This water is way too fast. This bass ain't gonna be sitting out in this. Way too cold. Seen some big points, maybe some little eddies down there. I'm gonna go up on shore, hike down, see how far we can get down this thing. This is insane. I don't even know what's going on. Oh my gosh! I just got whacked. I just got freaking throttled. I just got freaking throttled. Fish on. Fish on. Tighten that drag. It's a smallie. It's a smallie. Oh yeah. It's not huge, but oh, this summer rod feels great. Looky there. Alright, first fish of the day. Not what I drove an hour to come catch, but for the first one, I'll take it. gone. On, right here in front of me. Oh, yes. These are micro smallmouth right here. We need the big ones. Man, this is fun. This is fun. Oh, he's got. All right, guys, I'm gonna run back to the truck. Actually, I'm not too far away from it yet. I'm gonna ditch the bucket of minnows, my casting rod, and my live bait rod for now. I'm gonna stick with just the jackhammer, grab some better jig heads, and I'm getting everything on swim baits. I just lost a couple more fish. And I'm just gonna work this river because this is all private property up here. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it up there, there's a posted tank. So you gotta stay in the water. And I won't be able to stay in the water if I got my bucket and all this junk. So I'm gonna run back to the truck quick, dump this stuff off, and get right back to this spot. This is where I have caught the only fish I've caught all day. He's in this current seam right here. So I'm gonna see if there's any more there. On instantly. Ooh, what's this? Crappie? It's a freaking crappie. It was not a smallmouth bass. Biggin. Not huge. It's kind of a weird hook set. Just swimming up current here. Not a biggin. Not a biggin. Gosh, did he hit it like a biggin though. Fish number 4 or something. Probably the biggest one. Not what I want. At this point, I'll take anything. I don't care. Here to catch fish. That's what I do. All right, spot 1 down. Caught a lot of fish, but no size to any of those fish. There's a couple different landings that everybody's using around here, so I think we're gonna go to the next one, see if we can find some better fish there, and if not, we'll always come back here. We ain't got too much time. Let's get to the next spot. And we have just arrived at spot 2. I don't know, I just got some intel. My brother was down here a couple days ago, caught a few fish, and yeah, and he said they're nicer than the ones I caught. That's all that matters at this point. At this point, I just want to catch a couple nice fish. Yeah, we're gonna head down to the left here, I think. We're gonna bring everything again. Well, not everything. We're gonna leave the casting rod behind for now. Screw it, we're bringing everything. We're heading down there. All right, we have just arrived at the new spot. There's ducks everywhere. That fires me out. Holy buckets. The current looks a lot slower here. I like that. Just for starters, I'm happy about that. All right, I made a run back to the truck. Got a way smaller weight, so the current can actually drag it a little bit better. And yeah, we're gonna start with a small second minnow. See what happens. Lob that guy out there and let the current do the work. Oh, that rolls so much nicer. Fish on. There we go. Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one. Oh, heck yeah, that is so cool. No way. Oh no, my reel's on the, he's barely hooked. Oh. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. My reel is all messed up. Don't know why in the heck it's on. Keeps kicking in the back reel. Look at that fish. That is a lot better than the ones I was catching earlier. The live bait hook right in the corner of the lip. Poor guy's got some line down his throat. That's not good. Still eating, so that is a beauty. On. I think feels decent. Oh yeah, this feels like a good fish. This feels like a good fish. Get him off here. It's hard to tell in the current, and my hands are numb. It's not huge. Not huge. Pop the hook out. Not bad. See you, little dude. And he's gone. I literally picked up the live bait rig, tossed it out there, instant bite. Instant. I ain't kidding. I think I got another bite. Oh my gosh, I missed him. He missed him. Oh, he missed him. Send this guy right back out there. On. Not big. Not big at all. No, definitely not. I can't believe these little guys are getting. I can't believe these little guys are getting those sucker mills down that quick. On. It's definitely not as big. But still a nice little smallmouth. I cannot believe that fish just got that sucker mill down, to tell you the truth. Here's another smallie. Boop. I think I had a big appetite. Eat this minnow. Yeah. Alright, I've kind of ventured up the river a little farther from where I have been fishing. I'm gonna throw a plastic around. I'd like to catch a couple on the plastics, if possible. Fish on. Finally, a fish on the plastic. Oh, and it feels like a good one. It's a good one. It's a good fish. Yes! Finally, a fish on the plastic. Sweet! Heck yeah. Let me turn on my big camera here for a second. There we go. Another beautiful Mississippi River smallmouth. This is awesome. I finally got one on the plastic. Got this one on a Kitech paddle tail. Yeah. Let's let him go. Just like that, they're gone. Here's one. Switch back to the live bait and it's just on. Doesn't feel big. It feels pretty good. Not bad. Oh heck yeah, buddy next to me here's got one too. Nice little brownsy. Alright guys, I think that's gonna do it for me today. My hands hands are hurting. I can't even feel them. It's been a few hours. Haven't caught a fish in a while, and I'm out of sucker minnows, and that's pretty much the ticket here. But with that being said, I did catch some on paddle tail plastic Kitex, and I got a few on that. They're all the smaller fish mainly. The bigger fish came on the sucker minnow. But fun to get the long rods in the hand, hit the open water. Been on the ice for a while now. But I'm gonna get back on the ice, go chase small eyes probably tomorrow. So stay tuned for that video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode of Marshall Outdoors. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and the only thing left to say is signing off. We'll see you guys next time.